Hello, my dear children. So, this is your Pushpa ma'am, and today we will read lesson 1 of your book, The Stories Past and Present. तुम समझते पाखे ये बही अच्छी ना, The Stories Past and Present, Book 2, Class 8, Book 2. So, तारा जी first chapter टा आमे जी पढ़िबा. And the name of the chapter is Whose Horse Was It? You all like horse na? Horse गुड़ाक देखा बहुत सुंदर and they run at a very high speed ना, बहुत जोरे दौड़ती ना. They are very attractive. तो मैं बीच गले बाको function रे को मेला रे गले तो you can see horses. Horse riding भी तुम्हें समझते करी थी, right? So now let us read this story and देखिबा इस story रे कौन होची. Now look at the picture. ये picture टा देखो चला तुम्हें. Now, what do you see in this picture? Yeah, two people are sitting on a horse. What जाउजन? ना, they are going out from there. So, देखिए बात कौन है जी? Okay, now I'm reading the chapter. You listen carefully. One day, a young man was going to a town on his horse. Near the town gate, he saw a beggar. Sir, the beggar cried out, "Please take me to the market on your horse. I'm lame." The kind young man agreed. He put the beggar on the horse. Then he rode to the town. They reached the market. Then the young man said, "You can get off here." "But I don't want to get off." "You get off my horse." "I want to go on," said the beggar. "Your horse? This is my horse." "Your horse?" "Yes, it is mine." "Get off, or else I will take you to the king's officer." "All right, let's go to him." So this was SGP 1. Let us see. There are 3 SGPs in this lesson. So now let us see what happened in SGP 1. So a young man was going to the town on his horse. But a young man, तार गोटे horse थिला, he was going to the town. So near the town gate, जिते से gate town पाखा पाखी हे गेला, he saw a beggar. Beggar माने भिखारी टे देखिला. Then the bhikari, that beggar said, "Sir, please take me to the market on your horse." मते टिके market जाए नहीं जानतो नहीं. I am lame. Lame माने छोटा. Yes. मोर गोड़ छोटा अच्छी मते टिके मार्केट नहीं जानते नहीं. The young man was very kind. The kind young man agreed. Agreed माने राजी है गेला. He put the beggar on the horse. से beggar को घोड़ा पर बसेला. Then he rode to the town. Town को गले दी जन जाको. Riding करी गले. They reached the market. The market को reach कले बा पहुंची गले. The young man said, "You can get off here." एठी ओल्हेई पड़ंतु. Get off means ओल्हेइबा. You can get off here. काहा को कहला? Beggar. The beggar कौन कहूची? "But I don't want to get off." "You get off my horse. I want to go on." Beggar कहूची मु तो एठी ओल्हेइबिनी. मु तो एठी ओल्हेइबा को चाहुनी. तुमे ओल्हेई पड़ो मो घोड़ारु. I want to go on. मु आउरी आगु को जीवी. "Your horse?" The young man कहूची तुम घोड़ा. ये तो मो घोड़ा. This is my horse. Beggar कहूची your horse. तुम घोड़ा. Young man कहूची yes, it is mine. हाँ, इटे तो मो घोड़ा. Get off. तुम्हें ओल्हे पड़ो. Get off. Or else I will take you to the king's office. राजा को मंत्री को पाखु को तुमको नहीं चाहिए. ऑफिसर पाखु तुमको नहीं चाहिए. So the beggar कहूची all right. ठीक है जी. Let's go to him. चलो चलो जीपा. Okay. Now SGP 2. So they went to the king's officer. The young man said to him, "Sir, I was riding to the town on my horse. This man wanted to come to the town market. He is lame. So I brought him to the market on my horse. Now he says that the horse is his. Sir, please help me get my horse from him." The beggar said, "He is a thief and a liar, sir. This is my horse. I am lame. I cannot walk well. So I bought this horse." The king's officer looked at them. Who was the thief? Whose horse was it? he did not know. So both of them went to the king's officer. राजा को मंत्री पाखु को गले दी जन जाको. Young man कहिला राजा ऑफिसर को सब कहिला, sir, I was riding जहाँ जहाँ घटला सब को, I was riding to the town. मु घोड़ारे मु जाउथली. The lame man, the beggar, he was lame and he asked me, मते लिफ्ट मांगिला, मते कहिला मते मार्केट नै जा. So मु ताको हेल्प कली. मु घोड़ारे बसई कि जते बेले मार्केट जाय आनिली. Now he is saying कि घोड़ाटा तार बिल. Please help me, मते हेल्प करंतु. गेट मो घोड़ाटा मते वापस करबा पई मते हेल्प करंतु, सहाय्य करंतु. बेगर कोन कहूची? The beggar said he is a thief, se chorote, liar, michua. Michua is a michua te chorote. This is my horse. Ita to mo ghoda. I am lame, mo chota. Mo ghoda किनितली, mo nije jiba आसबा करबा पई. The king's officer was in doubt. Se confused हे गेला दी जण को कथा सुनी. Whose horse was it? Ita कहा घोड़ा? He did not know. Se जानी पारला नाही. So SGP 3. Sir, may I ask him a question? The young man said. Raja the officer, Rajanka officer, king's officer, when he was confused, so the young man asked permission magila officer ko कि sir, may I ask him a question? मु ताको किछि प्रश्न पचारिबे कि? Yes, the officer said. Go on. The young man took off his turban. Quickly he covered the horse's eyes with it. Then he said to the beggar, this horse is yours. You say, you know your horse well. Now tell me, which of its eyes is blind? The left eye or the right eye? The right eye. The right eye? Are you sure? No. It's the left eye. The young man turned to the officer and said, sir, my horse's eyes are all right. It's not blind at all. Please look at its eyes. The officer took off the cloth. He looked at the horse's eyes. The horse was not blind at all. You are a thief, he said to the beggar. Come with me. I will put you in prison. So what happened in the last SGP? The young man permission magila kahaku, the officer ko ki he wanted to ask some questions to the beggar. Officer said, yes, go on, pacharo. Young man कोटला ता टर्बन जो पगड़ी बांधती नी बहुत बड़ा गामछा वाला टाइप मुंडरे जो पगड़ी बांधती ताको टर्बन कहती. So he took off that turban and तुरंत नहीं कि कौन कला ना horse रो आदीटा जगह आखिरे ताको बांधी देला, घोड़े की बांधी देला. And turned to the beggar and beggar को पचाला ये घोड़ा, this horse is yours, this is your horse. Beggar said, yes. ना तुम्हें तो वो घोड़ा तो भल से जानी थी वो. You know him well. Yes, I know him. So now tell me, which of its eyes is blind? यार को आखिटा खराब कहिलो, को आखिटा तारो blind अंध मन से देखि पारेनी को आखिरे. यदि सेटा तम घोड़ा तार तो तुम्हें निश्चित जानी पारिथिबो तार को आखि खराब. So now the beggar was confused. First he said right eye, then he said no, left eye. In the confusion में से कोई सटीक उत्तर दे पारला नहीं. से confused हो गया. After the young man said to the officer को कहला sir, मो ए होची मो घोड़ा यार दुईटी जाक आखि सुस्थ अछि, is not blind at all. तार आखि कोनोसी आखि भी blind नहीं. आपण चेक करो, please check. The officer turban टा खोली देला जेते बेले खोली देला परे horse eye को check कला. The horse was not blind. So the blind नथिला, अंध नथिला. Then he turned to the beggar and said, you are a thief, तुमे चोर. You are a liar, तुमे मिछ कहूचो. Come with me, मो संगे आसो. I will put you in the prison. मु तुमको prison माने कैद खाना, तुमको जेल रे रखिबी. जे मिछ कहबो से दंड पाइबो. Okay, so this was the story. I hope तुम समस्तंको भल लागिथिबो ए गपटी. Read the story again and again. Try to answer all the comprehension questions. comprehension question day तुम short answer लिखिबो yes no जहाँ बुझुचो जेतिकी बुझुचो try to give the answers in English short answers हेले भी चलिबो and try to do all the post reading activities with the help of your teachers. If any doubt, you can consult me. मो comment box रे you can give me comments. तो मुझे भल लगिला कि कौन लगिला मत message करिबो and this is all for today.